It's 6 in the morning. Gotta go to work. Yeah. I don't want to go to work. But you gotta go to work. You know, you gotta work. Alright. I'm going to work. Bye.
Okay, so this little light of mine. Tattoos all down my spine. Everybody know that I'm on my grind. Always in a place where the sun don't shine.
Hi, gorgeous. Hi. She has a phone literally like she's like she knows what she's doing. Hi, baby. She got the whole angle.
And delve into the
Pretty much, this was my whole break. It won't focus anymore on the phones. I don't know why. That's weird.
In the heart of Little Rock,
time to go back. Don't want to go back, but we gotta go back. You already know. Okay, yeah. Oh, look, this is my baby's first ever shoe. That's her first ever shoe. Then we got the Rosario, because you know, gots to roll with protected at all times. I don't got nothing else to say. I just gotta go back to work, alright. Miranda. You stuffing everything in there? Where's the glasses? Put the glasses on. Where's the glasses? The fact that she understands that, y'all. Do y'all? Oh my god. She knows what the glasses are. Put them on. Put them on, baby. Alright, yep, we'll put them away. She's so adorable. Bravo! Here. Look. Woo, over here, look at me. Hey, rockstar. Can daddy get a hug? Oh, my baby. Yeah? Kiss? Can I get a kiss? Mwah! Oh, I can't wait to Oh, she's so cute. Hey, take that remote from. That's the good one.
I seen it go right for him. I'm sorry. I wish that would have been slow motion because I could have caught it itself. It can't still hurt.
Okay, I'm good. She said she's gonna help you do the clothes. She said she wants more. Look at what you got her to want. She had a lot of sugar. A lot.
I didn't even eat that much.
Yeah, she ate it all. A lot of sugar. And Daddy and Mommy are super tired. Run it back? Yeah, this is your song, girl, huh?
And now my heart is breaking, but I just
Say it. She just.
Okay, come on. Shake it. Shake it. Yeah.
Good job.
It's a beach girl.
Beach day.
Those crazy ass. She's like,
So they're just having like a competition of like getting in, who's gonna get in. It started with her saying she's gonna get in, and if she gets in, then this one's gonna get in, and if this one gets in, then both of them are gonna get in. He's gonna get in. Now we gotta get in, and she's not gonna get in, but all of us gotta get in now. It's so cold, guys. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I don't have a spare clothes. I forgot my clothes. Ah!
it's your turn.
No, you didn't even get in. Get out of here, no.
You have to go where
Nah,
he's at
you
at
didn't even
least.
get in. No, you didn't even get in. That don't
Look at
count.
this. You have to go to where he's at least.
Nah, I don't have to do nothing.
You have to go to where he's at.
Nah, I'll get in if you get all the way in, bro. That was the deal.
It's any piece of article of clothing wet length. So
Nope. Okay, so my battery's dying on my camera, but it is now feasting time.